Hello. Hey, this is a golden retriever. Hello. It's a 4 years old. 4 years old. Right? It likes to be scratched and massaged. Woo! Hello. Yeah, they can grow up quite big. Same size as a Doberman or German Shepherd. But compared to German Shepherd and Doberman, they are tame. Alright. Need some massage. Hello. Now this is quite a friendly and a tame dog. It's a male. Like what I said earlier, okay, they are the same size as a German Shepherd or a Doberman, but a German Shepherd and Doberman, they are fierce. Also, a Rottweiler is a fierce dog. Those are fierce dogs. This is a friendly, more to the family dog. They can get along. They can get well along with especially children. Most of the time I go to the jungle, I meet wild animals like snakes and monitor lizards, sometimes monkeys. I even been to some places. I have seen foxes also, foxes, wild boars. After a long time, I'm coming in close contact with the dog. Yeah. This guy, he likes head massage. Okay. Okay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll come up again with more videos with animals and also in the jungle. Till we meet again next time.